Hello aspirants, I'm Indumati Karthikeyan from INCAR IAS Academy. Today we are going to discuss about the 6th of February current affairs, the topic taken from the Delhi edition. The topic is narcotics network supporting the infiltration and terrorists in Jammu and Kashmir. This topic comes under our GS3 security challenges and their management in border areas. In this topic, we are going to discuss about the what are the background, what is NIA searches, what are the outcomes, what are the links banned outfits, what is about National Investigation Agency, how it works. These are the topic discussed by today's video. First of all, why it is in the news? There is a NIA registered a case based information about that infiltration activity terrorists belonging to Lakshar-e Taiba and Jaish-e-Mohammed in the Indian territory through the international border and line of control. First of all, there is a NIA searches in the teams conducted extensive searches at 8 locations across the district: Risi, Udhampur, Doda, Ramban, and Kishwar in Jammu and Kashmir. The outcome: the research searches resulted in the seizure of materials linking banned terrorist outfit and also overground workers and hybrid terrorists. The promises on sympathizers and cadres, the ban organization were also searched as a part of the operation, and also there is a link to banned outfit. The suspected terrorists and OGWs, that is, overground workers, were associated with the new offshoot and affiliate of banned terrorist outfit like Lakshar-e-Toiba and Jaish-e-Mohammed. There is a National Investigation Agency. It's a center that counter terrorism law enforcement agency of India, which is mandated to investigate all the offenses affecting the sovereignty, security, and integrity of the India. It includes friendly relation with foreign state against atomic and nuclear facilities, smuggling of arms, drugs, fake Indian currency, and infiltration from across the border. The offenses under the statutory laws enacted to the implement international treaties and agreements, convention and resolution of the United Nations, its agency, and other international organizations. It was constituted under the National Investigation Agency Act 2008. The agency is empowered to deal the investigation of the terror related crimes across the state without special permission from the states under the written proclamation from the Ministry of Home Affairs. It is headquartered at New Delhi. Thank you so much.